landscape has changed a little bit. We got some snow on the ground, and Norm and I we're kind of patiently awaiting the new FX Panthera. So we decided to just go short instead of going long with a slug gun.
Yeah.
You know, short like Norm, that's all.
Exactly. Look at this short little setup, man.
So tell us what we got here.
We got the MK2 FX Impact Compact in 30 cal. The Donnie Fat Boy on there.
And are you shooting pellets or slugs?
Oh, I'm shooting pellets today,
Okay,
buddy.
cool. What are you? I'm shooting the FX Atomics. Are you shooting regular pellets?
I'm shooting regular pellets.
Okay, regular pellets for you. But that's a 30, so
yeah,
it's gonna smack them no matter what.
Oh yeah, man.
You got Titan on top. Very cool. And we have our special guest today.
Oh.
Brother Man Ham is back in the mix.
Oh, it's special, all right.
Yeah, it's special. And Ham is running 25 cal Crown with the Atomics, but we still need to get a better suppressor for you, but it works, but it's just not stylish.
Well, not everybody can be cool.
And I'm gonna be running my 25 caliber Wildcat BT, also with Atomics, so should be a lot of fun. We'll hop into some scope cam, take you guys hunting with us. Sound good?
Yeah, buddy. I'm wondering if I should take the tripod out
of
the truck.
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to be laying prone much today.
I'm not laying anywhere. I even forgot my bipod, so everything from me is going to be offhand.
I got some, another...
Yeah, but when I realized I kind of liked the idea of the challenge.
Oh, gotcha.
Or Norm's head, because he's short enough.
Yeah.
All right. First contestant. Go for it, bud.
Oh. Let me put a mag in first.
Oh my God, are you serious?
That's how long it's been.
And we're not used to being cold, honestly. Like, we slow down a little.
Yeah, I'm frozen. Ready. All right, here we go. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. He went down. Not a very loud pop, but he went straight down. Straight down.
Yeah, he did.
What'd we do? Oh, come on! You don't like to be famous? How's it going, man? Ham's up for his first shot of the day. Oh, lots of feathers.
Oh, yeah, no, I got him. He's there.
Oh. Oh, yeah. That was a different one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yours is stuck there, but I saw one fly away and it got confusing. Nice shot.
Thank you. 55 yards. Smacked him.
Oh, just to the left. Oh, still to the left. He's done. Wow, that wind's stronger than I thought it was. Wow.
Maybe an inch or two. Could you see the pellet or no? It's hard to get up on the scope with the sunglasses.
I know.
I can't take them off.
I'm gonna have to lose them.
Yeah, I can't walk around with sun on the ground without sunglasses though.
Yeah.
Got a couple of them here at 47 yards. A little bit of wind. Oh, he's done.
All right, we're back at you.
Right to sun at the end there.
Kind of see him flying around.
See him. Did you catch him fall?
He go.
He was stoned there.
Good shot, brother.
If he takes a couple steps to the left. There he goes. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. And I can't make it up now.
Yeah, your fat head was in the way.
My fat head was in the way?
Yeah.
Oh, whatever. One more down. So I've got pigeon down there at 78. No, sorry, it's a starling at 78 yards. I got wood behind him, so I'm not worried about the roof. Smoked him, dude. Oh my god, you see that?
He's done.
Nice shot, straight down, dude. Perfect. Somebody learned how to shoot.
Maybe.
I think it was pure offhand. Beautiful thing. There's another one. See him? Well, he just flew a little. Yeah, it's not ideal now.
Yeah.
But
It didn't sound like we had tin on that.
no, not at all. That's what I mean. When you get like a stack of those, you know, trusses,
Yeah.
there's really no way for it to get to the tin. Hi, my babies. You guys got some fresh food now?
Don't bite too hard.
Oh my god.
Where have you been all my life?
These guys are looking pretty happy right now. They just got a fresh food truck coming here, so not too much mooing, everybody's chewing.
Dinner time.
Was that too corny or did you like it?
No, that was all right.
Alright, I got you on B-roll, just go. You can just shoot. They're still coming out, so. Yep. You gotta be quicker than that, son. Did your mother have any kids that lived?
Nope. All right, last shot of the day. We got Keith here.
What'd you say that was, like 72?
70 even.
70.
Well, that was to the top of the thing. So you might want to do like 68.
68, I like that.
I'm zoomed in on him. I gave him 2.
He's 70.
Done.
That is the way to end the day,
Yeah,
baby.
buddy. Good shot, buddy.
Tell you what, man. It's a great platform for doing what we were doing, just walking around.
Right off the peak.
Oh, yeah.
Right
Yep.
off the peak. Yep.
Well, now I
That's-
gotta try and repeat it.
That's 70, bud. I'm on him. Oh,
yeah.
Look at him.
He's going funnel kicks.
Booyah, baby! That's how you end the day.
Yeah.
Wildcat beat C.
A double.
We had a little shrunk down compact impact in 30. Ham running a very classic crown.
Yeah,
Good
buddy.
to have you back out here, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so
You bet. Good job today, guys.
good day out, a little cold, but
Oh, yeah. My feet, I
nothing
can't
like
even
the
feel
boys
my
in
toes.
Wisconsin are dealing with, so we won't complain.
No,
But,
not at all.
We'll see you guys next time around.
Absolutely.
3, 2,
Done.
done.